Today, we will walk you through the memory installation process of the ASROCK C621A WS motherboard. This board supports 3rd generation Intel Xeon Scalable processors and provides 8 DDR4 memory slots. It supports configurations up to a maximum of 2 TB of memory when using certified NEMIX RAM upgrades. This motherboard is compatible with the following NEMIX RAM modules: 16, 32, 64, 128, and 256 GB of DDR4 ECC RDIMM and LRDIMM running at 3200 MHz. These modules are specifically designed to meet the requirements of the ASROCK C621A WS motherboard, ensuring optimal performance and stability. Additionally, NEMIX RAM offers a lifetime warranty for all memory upgrades, giving you peace of mind with every installation. We offer memory kits in the following configurations: single modules, 2 module kits, 4 module kits, 6 module kits, and 8 module kits. Today we will be upgrading the system with 256 GB modules to reach the maximum memory capacity of 2 TB.